If your GMC Acadia is completely dead with a black screen and no start, the problem is usually a total power delivery failure. Statistically, 85% of these total darkness scenarios are caused by a simple break in the primary electrical circuit. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find exactly where your power is getting lost. Start by checking the battery terminals under the passenger floorboard for any signs of corrosion or loose connections. The most common culprit on the Acadia is a loose negative battery cable or a blown 125 amp mega fuse. If the screen stays black even with a jump, you likely have a faulty ignition switch or a body control module issue. You can handle basic terminal cleaning yourself, but computer programming requires a professional scan tool. Most fixes are under $20 for a fuse, though a full control module replacement can exceed $600. Try a hard reset by disconnecting the cables and holding them together to drain the electrical system's capacitors. You'll only need a 10mm socket and a multimeter to perform these basic electrical health checks. Remember, 90% of electrical ghosts are caused by a loose ground or a dirty battery post. Check that mega fuse first, and if you found this helpful, subscribe for more DIY troubleshooting playbooks.